Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today I'll be explaining the location and firing order of the cylinders in a Nissan Frontier 4.0-liter six-cylinder engine from the years 2005 to 2015. Here we can see an example of a Nissan Frontier engine. The first thing we need to do to find out the location and firing order of the cylinders is this. We go to the front of the engine, actually to the front of the vehicle, excuse me. We open the hood and look toward the front of the engine. We all know that when you stand in front of the vehicle, to your left is the passenger side and to your right is the driver's side. On the left side is bank number 1, where the cylinders are numbered 1, 3, and 5. In other words, the odd-numbered cylinders. And on the right side, on the driver's side, are cylinders number 2, 4, and 6. In other words, the even-numbered cylinders. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the passenger side. Then cylinder number 2, followed by cylinder number 3. Then number 4 fires, followed by number 5. And finally, cylinder number 6 fires. That's all there is to it. Well, folks, I don't have anything else to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you then.